This morning, many people who work in front-facing jobs were on their phones trying to book a vaccination appointment. Certain priority groups were made eligible today, but those people could not book online. That was reserved for people who were 40 and over. Now, the health minister says those in priority groups were receiving callbacks in some cases to check to make sure they were eligible and to check to make sure they weren't getting booked into an appointment at a clinic that was offering the AstraZeneca vaccine because it is not yet approved for people under the age of 40 in Saskatchewan.
There are some that the clinics that do have AstraZeneca, I would encourage them again, be patient. We're having the drive-thrus are opening next week with Johnson & Johnson, which has a lower age limit. We understand that there are some people within those priority groups that are under the age of 40, and there is some AstraZeneca out there. We're going to be consulting with Dr. Shahab to see about the age limits of AstraZeneca. But I would encourage them to look at maybe other opportunities out there. There are 3 different vaccines that are in our province, and we're getting a 4th one right now, and only one of them has that age restriction that would be applicable.
Merriman says for people still looking for appointments, pharmacies are an option where vaccinations are being offered, as are drive-thrus, which will soon be expanded in Saskatoon starting on Saturday and in Regina on Sunday. And he says more than 9,000 single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccines are coming to Saskatchewan, which will be used primarily in drive-thrus.
We're going to use the majority of them through the drive-thrus, but we are going to hold some off that are going to be used in, say, hospital settings. If somebody comes in and presents that wouldn't be typically caught through a normal vaccination process, we would get them vaccinated at that point in time if they were willing to do that. So we will have some of those to get a full shot in that. But the majority of them will be going through the drive-thru.
Merriman is preaching patience for those waiting for their vaccination. He says supply will pick up dramatically, with Pfizer sending 63,000 doses to Saskatchewan on Tuesday, a shipment that will remain steady for the entire month of May, increasing to 74,000 a week in June. And he says Moderna will also be sending more vaccine to the province. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.